Hello, this is Sean from KAASM Digital Factory Solutions. Thank you for visiting our KAASM YouTube channel. In this video, I will quickly show you the new desktop UI now available in WinCC Open Architecture version 3.15. The new desktop UI replaces the web client and the OA client. So the new release is now supporting three main runtime clients. So the desktop UI, ultralight UX, which is the HTML5 client, and then also the mobile UI, which is for tablets and smartphones. So in this case, let's go ahead and start the Getting Started 3.15 project, which comes with the installation of WinCC Open Architecture. And the main thing we need to make sure that is added is the control manager with the native web client web server. So if you don't have that and you want to know how to set it up, just search the KAASM YouTube video that shows how to set up the web server. That's up and running. So now that that's set, that's great. We need to get that going, open up a web browser, and in order to get the desktop UI installed, you need to download the exe file for the installation. So if you are on a client or a remote computer, you would type in the IP address of the server that you're trying to connect to. In this case, I'm on the same machine, so I'm typing in localhost, and I'm going to download this exe executable file right here. Now that that's downloaded, I do not need that web browser anymore. That is simply the delivery mechanism. Accept the terms, click next, gives me the installation directory, install, and just give it a few seconds, literally, and we are done. Close that. Next, on your Windows bar, if you type in desktop UI, you will now have this installed. And so what this is I double clicked it twice, I only need to hit it once, but now I have a very modern user interface for creating a remote client. And so in order to do this, now I simply press this plus button, I type in the IP address of the server that I would like to connect to. Once again, I am on my main box as the server and the client, so I'm just simply going to type in localhost. If you have secured socket layers, SSL certificates registered with the system, you would check this box. In our case, we do not. Optional port, username, password. I'm going to use the root directory on this. I'm going to click save. Now there is a project sitting here ready to go. I can also right click, create a desktop shortcut, which I will show that here shortly. But if I double click that, now I have my desktop UI set up, and I can open up user specific multi-monitor, and I can choose from some different templates. In this case, I want the responsive design. Click OK, and then here we go. I can extend this, and just simply like that, the new desktop UI is up and going. And check out the responsive nature of this system, which is pretty cool. Just goes as you need. Okay, so there's that. I am hiding my desktop, so I'm going to unhide the desktop, and I created that icon right here when I right clicked. The beautiful thing about this is now an operator, a user, if you go and set up this client, the desktop UI, now they simply just need to click that desktop icon, and it takes them directly to their user permissives, where you can control the username and password and their human machine experience there. So let's go through this one more time. Same thing. So we like the desktop UI. It's a great addition to the continued development for WinCC Open Architecture. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to comment or send us an email at KAASM or visit KAASM.com. Thanks for watching.